Here are 10 health benefits of ginger. After this, we explain you the steps how to make ginger tea. 1. Improves immunity. 2. Speeds up the metabolism so it aids in weight loss. 3. Improves heart health as it known to act as a blood thinner. 4. Improves brain function. 5. It helps in regulating blood sugar. 6. Cold and flu prevention. 7. Morning sickness relief. 8. Migraine relief. 9. Relieves toothache. 10. Improves blood circulation. How to make ginger tea. Making a healthy ginger tea doesn't take a lot of time, effort, or ingredients. All you'll need is a bit of fresh ginger and boiling water. 1. To prepare, start with a chunk of fresh ginger. 2. Peel the ginger, slice it into a few pieces, and place the slices in the bottom of a heat-resistant mug. 3. Next, pour boiling water over the ginger and steep for up to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. 4. Strain out the ginger slices, add honey or lemon juice if desired, and serve. Want to learn more health tips? Subscribe to our channel.